Shot to third. Turner comes home with it. They've got Swanson hung up. Turner will dive, and now the throw to third. They get him there. They're saying take a look, but as it stands, they get 2 on the base paths.
Yeah, that couldn't have gone any worse for the Atlanta Braves, and it couldn't have gone any better for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Once he was going, I'm shocked he was going on contact. He was not able to stay. Now, Riley should have just kept going immediately when he committed, and at that point it was probably too late. And the Dodgers executed this incredibly well. The awareness of Turner to get up and throw it to third base.
Well, he just barely got Dansby Swanson. I don't even see an out call from James Hoy at home or third base umpire Corey Blazer, but it winds up being a moot point. Swanson, whether he was tagged or not, headed for the dugout, but he did get him.
This is similar to Game 5 when the Braves, in a tag-up situation, went ahead 3-0, only for it to get reversed because he didn't tag up.